This device, not the phone, this device helped me feel like I had time again. And this is why these Eink tablets will replace notebooks. Because time and space for your thoughts is not something that we get often in this professional world. When things are changing really quickly, you fall back on your planning. And it's that planning that lets you pick up a task in any half-hour slot and get straight into it, get straight on with it. When you plan effectively, you've already done the thinking. And when it comes to that question, you've made that decision already and you can get straight into it. You've already got the answer to that immediate problem that's facing you. I just can't think in that really focused way on my phone. I love this phone, it's the Z Fold, and it's got a little pen attached to it as well. The only thing I write with that pen pretty much is shopping lists. I sometimes annotate screen grabs and stuff like that as well with it as well. I think it's really useful, it's really good, but it isn't going to replace my notepad. I can't think in that focused way on my phone because I'll glance at the notification tray, or I'll be distracted by some other app. Google recommends me a headline and I'm off reading it already. Or a YouTube video, because this is flipping great for watching YouTube videos. And who doesn't like a good YouTube video? I'm checking apps, I'm checking my analytics, everything but focusing on my work on this phone. It's a tablet, but it's a paper tablet. And I'm really loving where this world is going, especially now the bigger players are getting involved and the screen technology will become cheaper. That will drive development, not just of the hardware, but of the software too. And in a few short years, we're gonna have tablets as thin and light as the thinnest of notebooks, folding out to be full size. If you're interested to know about the current range of Eink tablets, watch this video here. I love these misty mornings. You see the church popping up there?